Hey, it's Rachel with WTI. If you're traveling, you need this Lencent USB charger. It has different adapters depending on the country you're going to. This wall charger is great because it's nice and compact, super light for traveling. It has 4 ports and it comes with 3 different plug attachments. I'm going to use the last one here on the right because that's what I need for where I'm at right now. Even if you're not traveling, it's great because it has the regular attachment that you would use for countries such as the US. So if you're not traveling, it works great too. But if you are traveling, it's super easy to use. You just slide the attachment that you need into the charger. It slides in super easily and then you're ready to go. You just need to plug it in and you can start charging. I love that I can charge multiple devices at once. Whatever country you're traveling to, you're going to be covered with the correct wall plug insert. This has been super helpful while traveling. It's a product I really like, and that's my point of view.